Okay, so we are here for our introductory session of spoken English. Hi, my name is Virat Kapoor and today's topic is how to give introduction. Okay, this is our class. Nice. May I have your introduction? Sure. My name is Suresh. I'm pursuing graduation in science. May I know about your family?
I live in a joint family. There are 8 members in my family.
What does your father do? My father is a government employee. He works in education department. What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening to music and reading books.
And what is your ambition?
I want to be a successful businesswoman.
Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Akshay Kumar.
And who's your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is Priyanka Chopra.
Great! Who's your favorite cricketer, by the way? My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. Okay, and what is your favorite outfit? My favorite outfit is trousers and shirt. Do you talk to your friends in English? I talk to my friends in English occasionally. Thank you very much for your participation. Practice these questions to become fluent in English. In our next class, we'll come out with some more questions and answers. For now, bye-bye.